It's really windy and gray and pretty chilly here today, but it is officially spring up here at the cabin now, and we have our wildflowers that are starting to pop up and some really neat looking fungus coming up, and the ferns are coming, and the spring beauty and the Dutchman's breeches and all different kinds of fun wildflowers are up. But for Joel and the action in the garage, spring means getting the lawnmower tuned up. So we're gonna do all the tune-ups and get all the machinery ready for all the big summer action. A while back we had a video where we were doing some storm cleanup. We were getting a big tree off the driveway, and it's just been sitting there drying out for a few months. And so today Joel and Luke got it all cut up, got it all logged up. Here, let me show you. Cut up all the branches, got the trunk all logged up. And so today we're just getting the rest of it. We're gonna get it all split, get it all stacked. Just working on firewood today.